Today, I would like to introduce for you very nice, simple salads, hot salads. They call barbecue eggplant with special pork mince. So the first job I will do is I will making a salad dressing sauce and play watching our video clips. Now, the first thing I will do barbecue the eggplant in the gas station. We got many ways to barbecue the eggplant, but barbecue the eggplant directly here is taken quickly, simple, and got a smelling also quite nice as well. And the second thing I prepare right now, I will julienne some chili. Teaspoon, six it out. Okay. Some garlic chives. Now with the pork, we mince it up. Okay, it looks beautiful now. So waiting for eggplant only. See, nice, very rich. You can see the skin come out nicely here. I mean, this one very nice here. Soft ready. Right, in the time waiting for that one, I chop a little bit of garlic later to saute the pork. On the place. Oh, looks so yummy. I cut a small pieces here. On the wok here, I will heat them up. I will saute the pork. Tablespoon of oil. All the garlic we have inside. And you see a nice smelling and the color look golden brown color. Put the pork inside and stir as well. Salad dressing sauce inside. Okay, we got a salad dressing sauce we making before. Stir as well and pour it inside here. And all the garlic chive, spring onion you have inside here. And stir it nicely. Now we transfer the eggplants, the pork here, on the top of eggplants. Got some beautiful chili on the top. And some eggplant, I just decoration before. To see the eggplant salad on the middle here. Alright, now we got an awesome dishes, barbecue eggplant with pork mince.